So what we have here is the unboxing of the DeepTech Vista Gold Gain that runs at 30 kHz. This machine will be a really great performer in the field, and I'm looking forward to getting it out there. Ideal on mineralized sites, it's very fast and a very deep machine. So then, what we have here is the lower stem first, and this is the extended stem, and this is 10 centimeters longer than the standard stem. So you can order that one. And before Christmas, this is the free item you get, which are headphones. Nice little gift from DeepTech. Now we get to the good stuff. Right then, so we will be moving on to the batteries. You get 8 AA batteries. Now we have the battery pouch, so when you're placing the actual machine down on the grass, you don't get the battery compartment damp. And also we have the actual weatherproof casing for the actual faceplate and the main unit of the detector. We have the bolt washers and the bolts, all the little gubbins we need really for the machine. Here we have the center stem, or the middle stem if you want to call it. And what you get is the 11-inch pitbull coil. It's a fully submergible coil, but don't try to submerge the whole machine because it's just the coil that is fully waterproof. It also comes with coil cover, a very good coil, the 11-inch pitbull. And now we have the main unit itself, the Vista Gold Gain. A brilliant machine. By the tests I've done with the prototype, so I can't wait to get this one out in the field. Now they've made the final changes and alterations, so it's going to be, I feel, a very good machine on many sites. Now that it's got the separate gain and separate sensitivity, running at 30 kHz. So let's move on to assembly of the metal detector next.